What's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Man, I need a haircut. So what's going on today? So, about a year ago, I had this AC installed. And when they installed it, they put it level. It was not an AC company that installed it. It was actually an electrician. And I guess he didn't know that you need to put the AC at a level. So ever since we got this thing, it has been leaking in our bedroom. So I hired this company. This is the company here. And they came out and they're gonna fix this for me. So they're gonna...
Puro takpa ko na.
Nangkal? Nangkal. Kala nga tayo, kuya? Hindi ba yan, nagkukan si Jack?
Secure.
Naggaganon siya, oh. Wala bang ibang lilipatan nito? Extension? Lipat naman. Nandyan siya nakasaksak, kuya?
They're coming up with a plan now, and also they are cleaning the AC outside. They're squaring this up because it was hammered out with a chisel and it wasn't very square. So they're fixing that. Alright, let's see what it looks like out here. It's a nice little... Oh, Inco. I didn't know they made pressure washers. That's a nice one. Better than my little rechargeable, for sure. They really tear it down. See, that's the problem. This tray that, I'm pretty sure it was plugged up. That's kind of what I thought it looked like. I think it was plugged up right here. It wasn't draining, and then it's supposed to drain back. And it wasn't draining. It was leaking out of the front. This tray was always full. Yeah, they're doing a good job. Get that nice and clean. Oh wow, look at that. That is the housing for the fan. Look at that. That is nasty. Jeez. This thing's only a year old. The problem was that it wasn't installed at an angle, so all that water was just sitting in there, fermenting, turning into like a slime. I took it apart the other day, and this was all slimy. See, I got some rust in there. Yeah, get that thing nice and clean. So they're gonna get that all cleaned up and getting ready to weld. I need to go inside and put that mat so I don't get them fumes in there. Ready to weld there. Got this mat here because I'm trying to keep as much dust out of our bedroom as possible. You can see all that dust from the planer. Christine will have my ass. Did cover the bed with a sheet. I'm trying to keep as much out as possible. I don't know how much they would charge for all this in the US. I'm sure it'd be really expensive. The guy quoted me like 1,200 pesos. And I said, nah, that's not enough, man. Fuck, there's three people. So I went ahead and told him I'd give him 3,000. I like to try to help out these little companies as much as I can. All right, let's see what happens. I think that drain was plugged up too. It wasn't draining. See how clean it is now. See through the condenser and the evaporator. Big difference.
Kasi punasan na tayo. Agad na tayo yan. Hindi, bugaw majig. Ay, pala.
I tell you, for the price, it's just not worth buying those little spray cans of Aircon cleaner. They don't do shit. This is the way to do it, man. For the price, probably gonna do this every 6 months. Funny, in the US, I had a window unit for 5 years. I never cleaned it once, but there's so much dust here in the Philippines, here in the province. So much dust. Very satisfying to watch. This thing's gonna work like brand new.
Okay. Tanggal natin.
Well, there you have it, guys. They're just finishing up, putting in some insulation. Keep the hot air from going inside and causing all that condensation. Very nice and clean. Straightened up the bracket, made the AC where it's supposed to be. Let's see, nice and level, and then it has an angle coming out, so it should drain properly. All right, guys, well, there you have it. This is the name of the business. It's in Camaling, and really good prices. They also sell AC units. They are probably going to sell me some split type units later on down the road. So, all right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.